Hey Tranont, I wanted to jump on and do a quick training on how to find and share your travel savings passes. Once you log on to tranont.com, you're going to go to your initials in the little black bubble up in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Open up the menu and click on My Business. The menu over on the left underneath your business says Travel. You'll go ahead and click on Travel to open up and be able to see your travel subscription as well as the box that says Manage Travel Savings Passes. You'll go ahead and click on the arrow next to Manage Savings Passes and you will see your travel savings passes open. In the middle, you'll see any email that the travel savings pass has been used by, as well as the date that it was used on. On the far right, you're going to see notes where you can enter in who you shared it with, how you shared it, the date you shared it, any sort of notes you want to put in there. The savings pass to share out, if you hover next to the code, you'll go ahead and click on that little arrow and it will copy as a link. It will generate the code once they open that screen up for you, but it does copy as a link. I hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our success team. Thanks.